During our one-on-one discussions, when we peeled back the layers to uncover the issues, we discovered that while there are some technical challenges to the reliability journey, in most cases, the barriers to performance were identified as people or culture.
70% of the reliability initiatives fail because they fail to address culture. Leadership is extremely important, but I think unless you can change your culture, you're not going to get there.
How reliability occurs to your frontline workforce is how it will be performed.
And then I'll question it with the person on the front line, and then the person on the front line will turn to me and say, I've worked here 20 years. Nobody ever asked me that question.
A strategic reliability initiative will only succeed when a reliability leadership culture supports it.
And I say reliability for everyone, and you say, yeah, that's an interesting idea. I can't do that in my company.
The reliability strategy in the Certified Reliability Leader Workshop is what we want your organizations to achieve.
And realized how powerful the uptime elements are and how they all work together in order to create a framework for reliability.
It captured me at first when I seen this elements chart with the 5 domain stuff, and I was looking at it, and man, things just started clicking. It was making so much sense to me.
It was life-changing for me because I got to realize or start to pick up a new language.
It definitely creates a common language, a common understanding throughout our group.
The Uptime Element seems to bring it all together as a complete package and kind of gets you all grounded in the same concepts.
With empowered reliability leaders in your organization, the culture can change.
Certified Reliability Leader is not a position or a title. It is actually who you are and what you do.
It puts a type of knowledge into a management position so that I can not only be a management position but also be a leader and turn other people that are in my group and part of my team into leaders so they could take that and spread that across the entire organization.
One of the things we started was to go with the Uptime Elements Framework. They have an online training. 385 people have been certified with the certificate that they've gone through the training. And we've come up with 47 projects that have put together $5 million in savings to date.
We invite you to start your reliability journey with the Certified Reliability Leader Workshop.